Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, just got home from work. Gonna put on an instant pot meal, and then I have some other things I gotta do, but I'm gonna share with you my grocery hauls, grocery week, right? Rinse off those, open that. So I'm gonna do some chili. I also need, Jackson, a can of the corkscrews. I mean, not a can, a box of the corkscrews up there. So it's gonna even it out some, okay? So, last night, Jackson made, what do you call it, Jackson? Quesaberia tacos? Quesaberia tacos. Jackson put 943 jalapenos in them tacos. That's all I gotta say about it.
Mom,
Don't come over here.
Honestly, it didn't taste any spicier to me than the buffalo sauce.
Okay, but that's you. So I'm trying to use up, Jackson is not a leftover person. He does not appreciate leftovers. It actually had a really good flavor, but it was spicy. And I would prefer to feel my face after I eat my meals. So I'm gonna recycle this and make a chili. It's very cool here. It's what, 50s, maybe 60s? I don't know. No, don't pour my juice out. I need it.
It's like 59.
59, I need this. Okay. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some chili. So I'm gonna use some of the tomatoes that we can, the diced tomatoes. We're gonna do some corn. We're gonna use some, is it chili beans? Chili beans. And then the meat. And then some, I'm gonna put some corkscrew pasta in here. Let me see, there's a chili setting. So I'm gonna use the chili setting and then put the corkscrew pasta in. Let me grab
The corkscrews?
yeah. I'm gonna keep the juice in my corn. Probably put a little more something in there. We're gonna put the chili beans in. Oops. And these are just great values that were seasoned for chili. Jackson did say I needed to stock up on some more corn, so when I do preps for the month, I will do corn. Okay. I'm gonna put all of this taco meat because really it's a lot of sauce. There's onions, and he ground up some the peppers, the onion. There's tomato. We bought a couple fresh tomatoes in here. Coriander, or what did you use? Did I not have? I didn't have that. What did you use? Cumin, and what else?
Cinnamon, garlic powder.
Cinnamon, garlic powder. We put a little touch of sugar to cut some of the spice.
And some peppercorn.
And some peppercorn. This is there's what I want to say, pork. We had some pork that we made the other day. I need a thing, Jackson, a knife to pop this. We're gonna try our diced tomatoes for the first time. See if I get I don't have a lid remover. Yep. Okay. In they go. Okay. I'm not gonna add any more seasonings because Jackson seasoned it very nice. I probably want to add just a tiny bit more water though, just to make sure that the pasta cooks. Okay. So we're gonna add in this corkscrew pasta. I'm probably just gonna do half of this. We're doing a little bit less carbs than normal, but I'm gonna put some carbs in here just to have, to stretch it out, to stretch out the pasta, to stretch out the chili. I'll probably get Jackson to make some cornbread, and then we'll just have chili with cornbread, and that'll be the end of that. Be a couple meals. Like I said, Jackson's not a big leftover person, but I can put this in the freezer and I can have it for lunches. and sister if she wants it. But I can just cook this now and have it for lunches if he doesn't want to have leftovers. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the chili setting, 20 minutes. Now we're gonna jump into the grocery haul. All right, y'all, so here is our grocery haul. This is for the week. My budget was $60. It was $60.94. That's how much it cost me for these groceries, and I didn't get anything else. This is what I got. So I got the 0 sugar Coffee Mate, the peppermint mocha. I got a big thing of the Raisin Bran Crunch. I got some butter, some plain non-fat yogurt. I think he wanted Greek, but this is what sister picked up. We got trash bags, 2 small things of toilet paper. I'm gonna get this at Food Lion next week because I do think they're having a sale. Then I have bananas. We picked up some apples. I picked up some of this dried sweetened cranberry honey roasted almonds for salad toppers, some mayo for some chicken salad, ranch dressing, olive oil, these garlic pepper crispy onions, some spring and spinach mix, and then just some regular baby spinach. So that was my grocery haul from Walmart, and we spent $60.94. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the chili. Probably could have put a few less corkscrews in there. Probably only needed like 1/3 of the box instead of half. But we're gonna enjoy this. I did not have a chance to make any cornbread, so we're just gonna put a little bit of cheese on that, and we're going to eat our meal because we have church tonight. So there that is, and the dogs are eating their meal. There's Gwen. 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 She will not be interrupted while she eats. And then Mama's eating her meal. Are you eating your meal, Mama? You eating, big girl? That's right. Gracie's going to have a birthday. How old are you going to be, Gracie, on your birthday, Bestie? Bestie, you going to be 7? She does not care. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. I had to put on some warmer clothes because we got to go to church. We appreciate you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye now.